Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called WriteAiPro, which is a new artificially intelligent web app that creates highly quality content quickly and easily for you in any niche in under 90 seconds, which allows you to get more traffic, make more profit and dominate your niche without wasting any time writing a single word yourself. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $999 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.